Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to the English listening comprehension. Today I would like to talk about introduce myself. My name is Masumbillah and I'm from Bangladesh. Currently I live in Dhaka with my colleague. I am 26 years old. I work as a teacher and an administrator at a madrasa. I have been involved in the education sector for many years, and I truly enjoy helping students learn and grow. Teaching is not only my profession but also my passion. Apart from my professional life, I'm interested in technology, digital marketing, and freelancing. In my free time, I enjoy reading books, learning new skills, and spending time on my computer. At present, I'm working hard to improve my English proficiency, especially my speaking skills, because I believe that English opens many opportunities in both personal and professional life. I'm hardworking person and responsible person. I always try to face challenges with patience and confidence. My goal is to continue learning, developing my new proficiency, and build a successful career in the future. Thank you very much for watching my video. Have a wonderful day. End of the video, I will request to you please subscribe my channel as well as follow my Facebook page.